how to take apart this cube. It's a 3 by 3 by 3. And the pieces are stick together because of this pin. I go from one side to the cube to the other side. To take apart really easy, we need to find a pin that can move. Donc we just push on the pin until we find the one that can move. Like this one. This one is moving. Okay. We just need to pull the pin, and one piece it's already free. Next, to find another piece, we need to look for a straight piece like that, and we just pull the piece. That one was easy. We could try. Oh, this one I have more pieces coming together, but if not, this piece, no. Okay, let's see. This one can work. This one, and finally the last two pieces. Each of the pieces has a pin except this one. This one absolutely no pin. Also, if we take a closer look at the piece, these two pieces are composed of 5 small cubes. But these have only 4. And if we make a total, we have 26 cubes. Or it's a 3 by 3 by 3, 27 cube puzzle, but one cube is missing. That's the key to solve the cube, meaning there is no small cube in the center of the big cube. To solve the cube, we're going to start with this piece like a T shape. Next, we're going to take this piece without pin, like we can see. Take the piece and place the piece on the top of the T shape. Next, we take this piece where the pin goes through the puzzle piece, and we're going to slide the piece on the side of the T, like that. Next, we're going to take this piece. The pin is at the top of the L, looks like an L shape to me. Going to rotate the piece, and we're going to slide the piece, find the pin in this hole, like that. Donc we have part of the cube already solved, and like you can see, there is nothing in the center. No pin, no cube. Next, we're going to take this piece. The pin is on the bottom of the L. Just rotate the piece and slide the piece by the pin in this hole. Okay, yeah, like that. Like you can see, nothing in the center. Last piece, like the S piece, just turn the piece. This pin go in that hole, and this pin going to go in this hole. Like that. And now we need to place the last pin. And like you can see, the cube is back in its original positions. If you like the cube puzzle, you can check the video on the screen. Another amazing cube puzzle.